This smart projector is incredibly adjustable compared to a standard projector. You really can adjust the angle and viewing with this awesome feature. I love the fact that it's easy to use. You got that power button on the left corner and different USB ports to connect your devices. On the remote, you can control the focus with those F buttons, so super easy to navigate. And then this is the home screen. You can navigate to YouTube, Netflix, Prime Video. You have all these app options. Currently on YouTube, I want to show you guys the picture quality. It is a 4K visual, so stunning visuals, very immersive, very interactive. And here's me adjusting the angle of my screen. I can put it up on the ceiling, I can put it on the actual wall. Very personalized experience in order to get the best picture viewing quality. Now I'm going to switch over to Netflix. Continue to see such bright, immersive visuals. It's very engaging, very storytelling. And I just love the fact that I have so many options to choose from. I can really have movie night anywhere, everywhere on the preferred platform. I also want to show you guys casting, so I'm going to go ahead and screen share. Very easy to use. You'll have that cast option in that right corner, and it will actually give you the directions on how to screen share. So as you guys can see what popped up on my screen, I am screen sharing from my phone. As you can see, it was such an easy process for me. I'm currently on YouTube, but very practical in case you don't have like your laptop with you or something. You can just easily connect to your phone. And guys, this is a very lightweight portable projector, so really just take those movie nights, those nights where you just need some visuals with you anywhere. So I highly recommend it. It's so easy to use, it's practical, and it's very much customizable.